Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Video. Today we are going to be making a simple calculator in thunkable. Like last time we made a simple calculator in code.talk. It had two parts. Same for this video. This video will also have two parts. So as you remember, the 4 steps for making an app are purpose of your app, which you already know, design of the app, which we'll be doing today, the code for the app and running the app, which we'll be doing in the next video. So to start off, we gotta create a new app button. Now click on, I'm gonna project name simple calculator. Now I've done category. I don't think category is really like category is actually not compulsory. So you can just put create. So it's just category optional. It's creating, and so it will take us to this page, like a full empty screen. So now we have screen 1. Today we'll be even naming our components like buttons, labels. So there are 2 types of ways you name a component. One is called camel case, where you do it like I'll show you over here. So camel case, imagine I want to write calculator screen, so I'll do small calculator. This is camel case. So the first letter is like a print letter, and the first letter of the second word is caps. That's camel case. And there's one more way of using underscore. Here you can use camel case, or you don't have to. But I prefer not using camel case. So I'm gonna calculator. Oops, I put capital C. Calculator. And I'm gonna put underscore screen. Now I'm gonna make a calculator screen. Like we are going to design again, we first need a label, as you remember. If you remember a label, so I'll drag this label. And thunkable, to put label inside the screen, we got the label, like there should be a red line on the side. That means it's getting put inside. So yeah, so we're going to be dragging the button. Not button. The first one is a label, so we'll delete the button and we'll add a label. Now we want a text input under, but actually, so we want a text input under the label, and we want a label and the text input, and then another label and another label. Then we need 4 buttons. Button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4. Now we've got all this. Now we'll label them. So label 1 will name it. I'm going to name it label heading. Then number 2, for the text input, I'm going to name it, I think I'll leave text input 1, but let's just delete the caps. Text input 1. Yeah, that's better. And I'm going to put this one. Wait, I'll just change the hint over here to enter number And for the label heading, I'll enter its text to wait. Oh, I made a mistake. Yes, control C. Instead of changing its name, I changed its text inside it. So label heading is what it's called. Text I'm going to be putting it simple calculator. Now I'll put its font size to a big number, probably 30 square. And I'll put font weight to bold is good. Font style, I think I'll just put normal. Text align center, and I'm going to put color to maybe nice color of red. So yeah, you can actually change the background color also. I'm going to change the background color to dark blue, simply dark blue. So it's hard to see the red, so I'll change it back to black. Yeah, that's better. So I'll change the background color to also a different color. Maybe, or no, I'll put this to black and the text to red. That works, right? I like that combination. A black and red combination looks nice. Now, after I'm done text into the one, I go to label symbol. As you remember, this label shows where with the plus minus, so we're just gonna delete this, but before that we just edit the color and all, so we'll know what we have to type. The text is label. I'm gonna keep it to red. Font weight, I'm gonna keep it bold. Font size maybe 25. Yeah, so let's just check the text now. Plus, minus, I think a font size is too small. I'll do it to 35. Now plus, multiply and divide. So yeah, those are right. Those are good. Now we'll put text input 2. Yeah, I think I'll leave it to text input 2. Just delete. Yeah, I'll leave it that way. Now here I'll type in here is enter number. As after the enter number, text, I don't need text. Select. I'll actually keep this in numeric pad. That way, that you can only type numbers. It's pretty good. It works better. Now this I'll just name it label equal, and I'm gonna put the text simple equal to side. Font size maybe 35. Color again red color, bright red. Oops, it's the wrong one. No, it's the right one. Now this one, I'm going to set its font size to 40, and I'm going to set its color to dark red again. And yeah, so now we got to now we have done this, you can just remove this label string, and now the button is the last part of the designing. So I'm going to name this plus, text is plus. I'll adjust the size. Oops, there's something wrong. It just went for a second. Wait. I'm just pausing this video here. I'll again resume it. Yeah, so I just had small internet connectivity issues. So yeah, we were checking the size of the plus button. This suits it. So we'll just put it to 20, and I'm gonna put this all to 20, and I'm gonna put its text to minus, and I'm gonna put its to minus, and I'm gonna change its width a bit so that it actually matches to the width of the top one. So I'll put maybe not border width. So yeah, I'll just keep it like this. It's better if I leave it like this. Or I'll change its size to 25. That way it actually might automatically adjust. Nope. 23. 23 is good. So it's close. Like I told in the last video also that when you learn multiplication in school, the symbol is x. So I'm going to leave x here also. X and 20. And for the division symbol, like I told last video, it's a bracket. I'm just gonna put this bracket, and I'm gonna put this bracket, I'm gonna put this to 20. So the designing is over, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more videos.